Alright guys, and now the last design on the superhero page, we're going to do Black Widow. Grab your medium brush and load it up with red. You're going to make an hourglass shape. You're going to start with 2 lines, connect them with an X, fill it in, and you're going to take another medium brush and load it up with black. Draw an oval around it. And now you're going to fill in that space. Draw an outline of your hourglass shape. That'll help you stay organized. Fill it in. Thrown paintbrushes. Alright, and to finish it off, we're going to do an outline in red. And that's it. Black Widow.